You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Rose. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. I want to talk about prediction markets. Prediction markets are certainly getting bigger and bigger and bigger. A prediction market is, do you think the Dow is going to be higher by the end of the year? Yes or no. It's just a binary outcome. So now we're seeing these prediction markets. It starts on sports, but now we're seeing prediction markets on the Fed. We're seeing the prediction markets on tariffs. You can really kind of bet on anything nowadays, but I think what's really interesting is these prediction markets seem to be leading the stock market a little bit. So people used to always kind of lean on that Fed dot plot. That's kind of going away because the prediction markets are being a lot quicker. So guys, my name is Jonathan Rose. I'm on here every day the market's open, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Go over the market, share some thoughts. Once in a while, we'll share our trade of the day. Give you a little heads up about our schedule this week. I'm going to be live tomorrow, but we're going to be off for Thanksgiving. Thursday and Friday, we're going to close, and we'll be back on here Monday. I got the chat open. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. Let's go to the spreadsheet. Let's go to the screen share, PowerPoint. We're going to start right here because this was a really cool trade. I'm a huge believer in the creative trader wins. We want to look at things differently than everybody else. Today is November 25th, but on November 10th, I noticed that there was a 92% chance of US and China having a tariff agreement by November 10th. So after that, we are looking for reasons. Buy JKS. JKS is a Chinese solar company that's going to benefit if tariffs go away. So this was a trade that we're able to get 1027 right up here. And then as things ease with China, JKS was a really, really, really great trade. James ended up making $30,000 on it. Javier made 120%. Denny made 117% as well. Well, I think we're finding something else with these prediction markets because before I get into that, guys, the challenge. We do have a live challenge class today. So for everybody who's in our challenge, guys, investorplace.com/challenge 2025. Rockford, the MIT challenge is a must for anyone, even experienced traders in options. Everything's in easy to understand language. Everyone watch it in a quiet room with zero distractions and watch it through at least 2x. Livy jumped right into her all access after she went through advanced notice. So we do have a live class today for everybody. Come join the challenge and join our live class. Kim, it took me over a month to finish the challenge because of work. I work full time. I do what I can and take my time to make sure I understand the trade, the risk, and what to do at the expiration. So Kim, thanks for sharing. And then Jack, I'm really enjoying the challenge lessons, hoping to get better understanding of exits through more examples. So guys, it is a great time. Thanksgiving week, what a lovely time to learn. We like to learn before we earn. Okay, so back to the prediction markets because this is going on right now. 25 bip decrease. Fed decision in December. Again, this is on Polymarket. 85% chance that they're going to lower rates. Now, the orange line is the probability of them lowering rates. When it went down, the stock market got hit. Look how much it's recovered, guys. The prediction markets have gone from 25% to not cutting rates. Now we are at 85% that they are going to cut rates. This is obviously very, very, very bullish. So QQQs are selling off a little bit, but guys, they are going to lower rates, and the stock market, in my incredibly strong opinion, is going to rally. So market pulling back a little bit, fine, super, super strong. VVIX is something that we watch very, very closely. We want that VVIX, which is the VIX of the VIX. We want risk to come out of the market, and as it does, these markets will trade higher. Here's what the VVIX looks like. Let me just clean this up a little bit. So you can see, guys, look how much this thing has come down. This is the VIX of the VIX. How volatile the VIX is going to be, right? When this goes lower, markets are trying their damnedest to go higher. But this is what we're watching. Again, we had this all the way up at 130, 125, 120. But you can see that risk just completely coming out of the market. That is why, my friends, we are bullish. We are bullish because 85% the Fed's going to lower rates. The market's pulled back a little bit. It's a quiet time. Risk is going to slowly come out of the market. And in my strong opinion, we are going to rally higher. All access. What we always do, guys, is we branch off into our all access. Today, we have a brand new trade that we are going to share in our all access. It's a biotech trade, and that's what we're going to talk about right when we head off to All Access. If you haven't tried the challenge yet, this is your time. Live class today, investorplace.com/challenge 2025. See you guys on the inside. For everybody else in All Access, sit tight. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, hopping back on for All Access. How we doing, guys?